Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Puli, volunteer of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. Topic for this video is juvenile delinquency, written by Pooja Ekka, member of Applied Forensic Science for Justice Student Group. Let me go into content of this video. What is juvenile? What is delinquency? Types of delinquency, nature and characteristics of juvenile delinquency, classification of juvenile delinquency, categories of juvenile delinquency, statistics of juvenile delinquency, cases of juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency. Juvenile delinquency is one of the most important serious problems of the society. It is almost an outcome of rapid urbanization and industrialization of modern times. A large number of children from rural areas to cities or living in slum areas in cities are found to be highly vulnerable to this process. This has almost become a universal problem in most of the industrialization. What is juvenile? A juvenile means the child below the age of 18. A juvenile conflict with law under Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act 2000 is a juvenile who is alleged to have committed an offense but has not completed 18 years of age on the date of commission of the said offense. And under the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act 2015, juvenile defined under Section 2. What is delinquency? Delinquency is a kind of abnormality when an individual deviates from the course of normal social life. His behavior is called delinquency. When juvenile below an age of specified under the statute exhibits behavior which may prove to be dangerous to the society, he may be called a juvenile delinquent. Now we have a look into types of delinquency. There are 5 types of delinquency. Number 1, gang organized delinquency. According to this classification, youngsters formed groups and do their illegal activities within a group. These juveniles often suffer from the frustration of inability to achieve goals of middle class and come from backward areas. Number 2, unsocialized delinquency. Delinquents classified in that category would have criminal records and generally come from homes where they were neglected and rejected. Families of these children are prone to physical violence. They had seen hate and aggression within the homes and families. Number 3, accidental delinquency. In this category, delinquents would be one who is law abiding most of the time, but who has a lapse of judgment. They involve himself accidentally in the delinquent activity. These delinquents are a problem to any because their delinquent behavior comes to an end when he realizes what he has done or when they have been caught in the delinquent activity. Number 4, occasional offender. The occasional offender or delinquent is parallel to accidental delinquent in that they become indulged in the minor offenses but they are not habitual. Number 5, professional delinquency. In this category, delinquent usually steals things for getting some profits. They have done stealing for economic gain and to satisfy their desire. Nature and characteristics of juvenile delinquency. As per the recent definition, the term juvenile delinquency or children in conflict with law refers to any child below the age of 18 years who has come into contact with the juvenile justice system as a result of committing a crime. It must be kept in mind that number of cases recorded for juvenile delinquency till 2000 were collected as per the definition of Juvenile Justice Act 1896. According to the Act, the boy below the age of 16 years and girl below the age of 18 years are considered as a juvenile. According to the amended Act in 2000, the age of juvenile was brought as per the below the age of 18 years. The classification of juvenile delinquency. We cannot easily evaluate the extent of problem in any part of the country till we don't have the exact data, and data recorded also does not indicate the true extent of problem because a majority of such delinquent acts go unnoticed and unreported in our records. It has also been stated that juvenile delinquency rates are higher in developed countries. The following important classification are listed below. which characterizes the various kinds of juvenile crimes or offenses. Number 1. Out of the homes in late nights, disrespect of parents, and so on. Number 2. Damage done to both public and private property. Number 3. Violence created in society by using any means such as knives and guns. Number 4. Sex offenses and activity like criminal assault and rape. Number 5. Human addiction as alcohol. The categories of juvenile offender. They are of two types. Number 1. Neurotic offender. Neurotic offender delinquency is due to influential unconscious impulses which often produces guilt and motivates them to indulge into delinquent activities in their society. Number 2. Character disorder offenders. This category of offenders often feels very guilty and regret when they commit pretty criminal acts because there is a lack of positive identification models in their surroundings. They fail to develop willpower and to do what they want to do when they get chance of doing it. They are incapable of control their impulses in a socially acceptable manner. Statistics of juvenile delinquency. As per data compiled by National Crime Record Bureau, the incident of juvenile crime has constantly increased between 2010 and 2014. There has been 7.2% rise in juvenile crimes between 2015 and 16. Maximum number of cases under crime against children were reported in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Here we have a table of alarming statistics of year 2013 and 12. Total number of juveniles caught in 2013 are 2140. Of age between 16 to 18 years are 1148. Of age between 12 to 16 years are 875 boys, 10 girls. Of year 2012 are total number of juveniles caught 1541. Of age between 16 to 18 years are 860. Of age between 12 to 16 years are 617 boys and 12 girls. Total number of theft or snatching cases in 2013 are 928, rape cases are 163, murder cases are 76. Of 2012, theft and snatching cases are 523, rape cases 63, murder cases 100. Another alarming fact is that more than 50% of all crimes committed by juveniles were against women, and such crimes raise 92% all India between 2012 and 2014. The causes of juvenile delinquency. Number 1. Poverty. It is one of the major reasons for juvenile delinquency. The juvenile indulge themselves in delinquent acts to meet and satisfy the primary want of their life. Number 2. Family. It has been widely accepted that families of delinquents are characterized by disorder, desertion, and other people. Such families have been pointed out as one of the main causes of delinquency. Number 3. Neighborhood. The immediate environment of a child also affect the trend he will adopt in connection with his personality. Juvenile delinquent largely belongs to areas of poor living conditions. Number 4. Virtual world. Constant exposure to aggression, verbal and physical or television news, videos, games also contribute to increasing juvenile delinquency. Number 5. Bad peer group. Juvenile delinquency is often caused or worsened by peer. As you all know that we have come to an end of this video, this is time to check how much you have learned from this video, and the question is, a juvenile means the child below the age of. Options. Option number 1, 19, 2, 20, 3, 18, 4, 17. Do post your correct answer in the comment section below. As you all also know that in the previous uploaded video, the topic is physical evidence in crime scene. In that, the question is, which component of blood contains genetic information? The correct option is option number 4, both white blood cells and leukocytes. The correct answer of this question is also mentioned in description box below. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please mention it in the comment section.